Check and perform the following operations before cleaning. 1. Ensure the food storage container is emptied. 2. Ensure the device is unplugged. Lift and remove the container by pressing the push buttons on both sides. Remove the food bowl. Slightly wipe clean the main unit. Press backwards the lid release button, lift and remove the lid. Open the desiccant compartment. Take out the used desiccant packet. Vertically pull out the hopper partition. Pull out the food dispense paddles. Invert the food storage container. Clockwise rotate the food dispense module to take it out. Remove the turbine wheel. Peel off the silica gel attached on the turbine wheel. Rinse disassembled components. After cleaning, all parts must be completely dried or wiped dry before reassembly. Install the turbine wheel bracket, and note that the silica gel needs to be wrapped in place. Align the red arrow with the red line direction. Tuck the turbine wheel into the bottom of the container. Note point B, longer, and point A, shorter, on the mounting slot. Put vertically the module cover down to the bottom and rotate counterclockwise until hearing click. The red arrow being aligned with the red line indicates successful reinstallation. Install the paddles back into the container, ensuring the part aligns with the slots. Press down to make sure the reinstallation is in place without wobbling. Align the raised edge trim of the partition with the slot on the back of the container. Ensure the partition is flush with the slot. Open the desiccant compartment. Put in a new desiccant packet. Reassemble the lid. Press the push buttons on both sides to reinstall the container. Put back the food bowl.